Hello my Glamsters, welcome back to our channel. I'm coming on today with 3 fun and easy DIYs to share with you, and one of the 3 is dedicated by my niece Layla. Yeah, we'll get into that more. But anyways, here are the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. We have these items here, and we'll be using the flower bling wrap from BeeBeeCraft and crushed glass. Those are the 2 main themes for today's DIYs. Alright my Glamsters, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright, we'll be using this mirror here from the Dollar Tree. And I also have this leaf thing here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we will be using some silver metallic spray paint that I got from Walmart. And it's nice outside, so I'm going to go out and do some spray paint today. Alright, so it's a few hours later and our articles are spray painted and dry. Doesn't it look lovely in the silver? I think it looks much better now all silver than the gold and black that it was. Yeah, they look very nice. And we are going to use some crushed glass. And we are using some Mod Podge. Now this Mod Podge I find is the best one to use when you're using it on crushed glass. I get asked a lot of questions about them, so I'm going to show you the difference between this one and this one. The yellow one now is a matte finish. As you can see here, it says matte, so it dries with a dull appearance over whatever you put it on, and that's not the one you're to use. Don't use the yellow package when you're using stuff like crushed glass. Make sure you use this one here in the reddish color package, and it also says gloss on it. Read your labels when you're buying Mod Podge. It will direct you the right way, but always use this one to get a clear finish. It dries clear over your project, and that's what we want when we're using crushed glass. So now we're just going to add the Mod Podge, and then we're going to sprinkle some crushed glass over it. And you know, when you're using the crushed glass, you will get a lot of foliage, but that's okay. You can go back in, and I'm taking my scissors here and just curving out the spaces of the leaf, because you want the leaf to show. So I don't want none of the crushed glass in that side, so I'm just clearing them out. And then we'll just add some more crushed glass onto our decor. And I'm also going to add some crushed glass to the back also. Now it's been a few hours, so I'm adding some more Mod Podge over our crushed glass to help seal it and keep it in place so it doesn't fall off. So we're just dabbing it everywhere. And now I'm just going to add a little of sparkles. Just adding a little sparkle to our decor. That's optional, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm just adding some. And now we have our picture frame, which looks super nice, all painted silver also. I'm going to be adding the crushed glass just to the center. Right around the center, the inside here. Just going to add the Mod Podge, and then we're going to add our crushed glass. And when that is finished, I'll just set it aside to let it dry a bit, and then I will add some more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass. Now we have this foam here that I got from the Dollar Tree. Just a square foam in white. They have them in green, but the white is better. So I'm going to add some Bling flower wrap, yes, to this box here going around. I'm just using some hot glue. You can use any glue that you would like to use for your project, but I'm using the hot glue gun. Now I am doing 2 boxes, so this one will have it going right around the 4 sides with the bling wrap. And for this this square here, I'm just adding the bling wrap on 3 sides, and I'll add some to the bottom because this is going on our wall decor that we're doing, so we need 3 sides covered and the bottom. And now this is the box that just has the 3 sides going around and 1 side left empty. And the bottom has some on it too. we are going to add one of our crush leaves to the top of the box, or foam, I call it the box. So we just put it on top and then just press it right into the foam. Just press down and it just slides, it glides right in. And I'm gonna add some glitter to the top of the box where the white parts are showing. Now because it's a foam, you can't paint it. If you paint it or spray paint it, it shrivels up and shrink. So that's why I left it white and I didn't paint it. But I can add some Mod Podge and add some glitter. So that's what I'm gonna do. And now for our second box, where we did the wrap going right around the box. None on the bottom, none on the top, just right around the sides. We're going to do the same thing again. Take our leaf and we're just going to crush it, or push it into, I should say, the top part of our little foam box here. Just push it down, it goes in very easy. I'm going to add some more Mod Podge to this one too, and add some glitter going right around. Now I cut out some foam board, and I'm going to be using some glitter and placing it just in the center of the foam board, because the foam board is going to hold our wall sconce up. Yes, but for now I'm doing this step. I'm adding the glitter because right in the center here, because it's the frames and the frames have holes in them, it's going to show through. So I'm just adding some glitter, so you'll see glitter when you see through the two frames when they're joined together. And here are our two frames. They're all dry now with the crushed glass, and I did place back the mirrors into the frames. And all I did was I tore off the little piece at the back. I just tore that off, very easy. And now I am going to add some flower bling wrap to the four corners of each picture frame, of each mirror frame. Okay, here is our foam box now, and see the center, the glitter is dry. So we are going to place our two mirrors on top of the foam board. There we go, just like that. And you could see the glitter through it. Not sure if you can, but I can. I'm not sure if the camera is showing it. So I'm just going to use some hot glue now and glue them to our foam box, to our foam board, sorry. Which, like I always tell you, you can use any adhesive that you would like to do for your project. And here's how the foam board looks on the back. And now it's time to add our leaf, the one with, I just did the three sides and left the back open because that's where we're going to glue it to the mirrors to make our wall sconce. Again, I'm just using some hot glue. Please use any adhesive that you would like to use for your DIY. And now, remember I told you one project was dedicated to my niece, Layla. Yes, inspired by her. She got these items here and she wanted me to make her the Chanel sign to go in her room. So I said, okay. So I used some glitter paper and I traced out some C's. Well, I drew the C's myself, so they're not all that perfect, but I tried. Your girl tried. So I have the two C's here, and I'm going to bling them out with some more bling wrap from BeeBeeCraft. I cut off the little pieces, and I'm just going to use some glue and glue our two C's together.
I just need you back.
And now I'm going to add the little flower bling wrap pieces going all along the two C's. Okay, now that we got that done, we are going to take our mirror and glue it onto the center of this frame here. And everything here is from the Dollar Tree. She went in and picked them up herself and say, "Auntie, please, can you make this for me?" And I said, "Sure, why not?" Okay, and now we're going to glue the C onto the mirror.
Yeah. All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. All my life. And now see that nobody like you.
Okay, now that we got that done, I'm gonna add some flower bling wrap going around the frame to make it look even nicer. My niece is turning to a little glamour girl, just like her aunt. Yes, she likes the shiny stuff. Alright, Glamsters, here are our 3 finished DIYs. I think they look very nice. All with the flower bling wrap and the crushed glass. Yes, the flower bling wrap from BeeBeeCraft. It's very nice. And oh, I just love how these turned out. I think they look nice. This leaf one here, just as an accent piece, it looks very nice. And then we have our wall sconce here. Yes. And I did a little tea light holder with the flower bling wrap going around it too, and just placed it on the front. I think it looks super nice, and it's so easy to make. I love how the crushed glass is in the mirrors. It looks lovely. And of course, the lovely Chanel sign for my niece, Layla. I think it turned out super cute. She can have it in her room. I know she's going to be so happy. And she's coming tomorrow to pick it up. Oh yes. I love these DIYs. Like I said, they are so nice. And just using 2 blinged out items, which is the flower bling wrap from BeeBeeCraft and our crushed glass from Michaels. I think they look lovely. I love how they turned out. Very nice. And here I am showing you how you can display them. I think it looks very nice. Now I don't have any command strips, you guys. I would have loved to put this wall sconce up on the wall to show you, but I don't have any command strips, so I just placed it there to show you. And then here is our little accent piece with the leaf. I think it looks lovely. You can place it anywhere throughout your home and it will look absolutely beautiful. Again, like I said, sorry I don't have any command strips to put up the wall sconce for you to see it directly on the wall. Alright, my Glamsters, tell me what you think of today's DIY. Leave me a comment down below, and please leave a comment for Layla too. Tell her how you liked her Chanel sign. Yes, she inspired it. Just leave a little note, let her see how you think of her lovely design. I think it looks very nice. And don't forget to give me a like, give me that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
I wish I okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, I need you beside me. You beside me. Yeah, you beside me.